Kaveri, after Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke, you chose Ziddi, you chose Dil Diyan Galla, which I felt were more, of course, it had drama, but it is more, a story-based thing. Now, tell me something in the world of television where drama always leads, okay? As an actor, to constantly choose shows which are more slightly on the content side, how difficult it is?
I think I purely go by my instinct, and just by hearing the one-liner of the show, you have an idea to an extent ki uh, how your character might shape up, or how what creative input you can put in that character. And sometimes it differs from what the makers want, and वो तो होता रहता है creative differences, but then eventually I think it is very important to choose a good character these days, because there's so much of content being made every day, and so much of offers also on your plate, but choosing is difficult.
Yeah.
Eventually you never know how things will turn out. Yeah.
Yeah, choosing is the difficult
It
part.
is a very difficult, but I'm still learning it. I'm not saying that I'm an expert and I have this procedure, but mostly I go by my instinct.
Right, right. Since you have started acting, and tell me something. How much have you evolved as a person since you have started acting and being a part of this industry?
As a person, obviously, every day you evolve, and playing a new, different character, you go through their journey, their life journey. Like Amrita's life journey was way different than what Monami's life journey was. So maybe things which I have not experienced in my life, through my characters, I get to live them, and obviously, it has made me a better person. I would say earlier, I was not a very family girl, family, or maybe not valued it as much after I valued, doing Dil Diya Galla.
Okay.
So that's how I have grown as a person.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. What was that, if I can ask, what was that one scene, or I would say one track of a particular show where you think you really felt, you are getting better as an actor, if I can ask you?
I think it's always a hospital scenes.
Okay.
So yeah, I think for me, um, it's always the writing. The writing is very important. The Sometimes, as an actor, when I read a script, I start crying, because I can see it and I can feel it. And sometimes, even when it's written on the script that you have to emote like this and that, but then while writing, you do not feel it. So that is something, and I think evolution as an actor, I think मेरा तो फिलहाल जो latest scene जो मैंने किया है दिलिया गल्ला में ही, the last scene of the hospital, I don't know if you've seen it, but I really felt every word that was written in the scene. It was beautifully written, and after a really long time in the show also, I got something very meaty to perform and do,
Yeah.
and in which I gave my 100%.
And people really liked that scene also.
Yeah. In fact, I remember one of my friends was watching with me, and he started crying. He was holding me and he started crying.
Oh.
So yeah, that made me feel that I've done my job. So ultimately, as an actor, I feel when the audience connect with you, with your scenes and character, that's acting.
Right, and we wish you many more such scenes. Okay, my next question is, every actor who is not related to this industry, I'm sure at the start of the journey, and I think the whole journey is filled with challenges, but especially at the start of the journey, they do face a lot of challenges. My question to you is that among all the challenges which you faced as an actor, वो एक कौन सी चीज़ थी जिसको सीखने या समझने में आपको बहुत टाइम लगा, एंड अब कहीं जाके you are able to understand that thing, if there's anything you want to share?
As an actor.
Yeah, as an actor, when you started in this industry, and especially because you're not from this industry, so in that.
I always I know this, that things don't come that easy, and you have to constantly be at it, and better your craft, or even even if extracurricular activities are concerned, like dance, singing, voice modulation, anything, you have to keep working on it. And something which I really found, which I was not aware of initially, was that looks matter so much. Looks, yeah, exactly. And also it decides on what type of characters are being offered to you. So that has been a challenge for me, because initially I thought that it's the acting, and acting is the be all and end all.
The key factor.
Yeah, the key factor. But it is everything, it is the entire package that you are eventually. So I have learned it my way, not saying a hard way, but I had to work on it, and I had to first know that okay, this was important, and I had to work on it, and I'm doing it every day. Yeah, in my own little ways.
Yeah. Is it exhausting? Sometimes does it become exhausting because it is something like which you have to keep on practicing.
It is not exhausting. It is what you enjoy doing. So whenever I get time to work on myself, that is the time I enjoy the most. People say, while I am in the character, of course I love playing different characters, and whenever I get a chance to be on screen, I love that. But this space, the space between one television show or the next project, that is the space which I enjoy, because that is where I get time to work on myself
Right.
in whichever way, and then present a new version of myself in whatever way the character offers is the way.
Okay, acting, it's a tricky business, because a lot of factors are involved in it, and no matter, how you have a supportive family, you have, a friend circle who really supports you with your passion. But मैंने देखा भी है, तो इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ कि हर सबकी लाइफ में, स्पेशली एक्टर की लाइफ में एक ना वो आता है कि बिकॉज you have your friends who are earning well in a corporate world, they have a stable job, और stability सबसे important factor है acting में. तो जब ऐसे thoughts आते हैं, and when you're not getting what you want, and जब वो disturbing thoughts आते हैं कि कितना देर और अब क्या, how do you calm yourself?
Meditation is one thing which really helps. And also keeping yourself busy, as I said, working on yourself, there's no end to it. And also having a faith that, things will eventually work out, because you deserve it and you deserve the best. So that wait is worth sometimes. But yeah, obviously, stability is something which we all look, as you rightly said. But going back to if I think about going back to, what my friends do, or what I could have done by doing a 9 to 9 sort of job, that would not have given me that sort of happiness and fulfillment, I would say. So even if I'm waiting, even if I'm happy watching, and I'm excited about new things that are coming in the market, new shows, and I'm looking forward to being a part in whichever way I can. So it's always that excitement which gives me strength. So that is how I basically not worry about the whatever is happening and how much time it is taking, but rather than being excited about what am I going to do, and what lies in my plate ahead.
ओके कावेरी, वो कौन सा वक्त था, बिकॉज जब आप कोई भी आर्ट फॉर्म सिलेक्ट करते हो, तो वो कौन सा पल था जब आपको लगा ओके, एक्टिंग इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच आई लाइक, इट्स नॉट अ हॉबी, इट इज़ समथिंग विच आई एम रियली पैशनेट अबाउट. ये कब आपको रियलाइज़ हुआ था?
कब मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ? बहुत पहले, इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई वाज अ किड. दैट वाज समथिंग, एक्टिंग, मतलब मेरे घर पे भी जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स आते थे, मेरे कज़न्स आते थे, आई यूज़ टू मेक देम परफॉर्म, आई यूज़ टू परफॉर्म विद देम. So that was a time when I used to forget about everything else that is happening in the world or around me. So that time, I would say it was the moment of bliss, which a lot of people look for. So yeah, that I think it was way back I realized that. But I took time to eventually, accept it as my career. But then this was the destiny. So
And initially family was, they were always supportive, or even they took some time?
No, they were very skeptical, because I come from a very small place, and hardly any of any person from my society or my town had come here. So abhi to I have one of my other colleagues from the same school doing some good work, Naina Sareen. So but that time that was not the case. So obviously parents are scared to send their child to a place where absolutely nobody is there to support them or guide them, and you get to hear a lot of things about I mean fake things or made up things, but yes, whatever you see on television and stuff like that. So it was not easy, but at the same time, they were never demotivating. It was my choice to finish my career and my education first, not career, education first, and then maybe choose my career wisely.
Yeah. Now what do they say?
And they are very happy, and yes, they look forward just like me. They ask me, "Beta, what is up next?"
Right.
So
Yeah. I want to ask, आपके पेरेंट्स की अगर स्पेशली बात करें, उनका आप अब तक का सबसे फेवरेट कैरेक्टर क्या रहा है आपका?
they love all my characters.
अच्छा, कोई एक नहीं है.
I think my mom really likes Kuhu.
अच्छा.
She likes me bubbly, chirpy,
Right.
and full of energy on screen. So whenever I am not playing a so out and out characters, she's like, "Oh, why aren't you playing it that way?" Like, Mom, because this is a different character. It has a different background, so I have to explain it to her.
Right.
So for my mom, it is Kuhu, and for my dad, I think he loves everything that I do. He just wants to see me on screen. That's it.
Right. Okay. Last few questions. Tell me something, now that you have been a part of this industry and it's been quite some time, one thing which you really wish that, this industry changes a bit, especially for actors who are not from this industry.
Changes as a
Changes in the, something, toned down, like what I have seen, especially in the Aram Nagar area and all that stuff, the struggle of just, even getting that audition, forget about getting the part, it's a different thing. So, as someone who is not from the industry, but of course, you have make your place, but, that you wish that, अगर ये चीज़ें थोड़ी सी कम हो जाए या थोड़ा लोग समझ ले, so people who are not from the industry, उनके लिए वो राह थोड़ी आसान हो जाएगी.
आई थिंक आई हैव बीन एक्सट्रीमली लकी एंड ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज अभी भी मैं जब सोचती हूँ कि अगर मुझे वो पहला ब्रेक नहीं मिला होता तो what I would have done and stuff, but I know how difficult it is for all those people who are still struggling, but there's always a ray of hope, and it is always very important to meet the right people because there are a lot of people out there who project them in a certain way, but that's not the case. So it's very important to identify such people and not fall in their trap, rather than believe that hard work and working on yourself, on your craft is the thing which will take you ahead. And apart from that, I think knocking at every door is very important, whether you go and give audition or whether you are allowed to give audition or not, whether you are fit or not fit. But it is very important to show your face once every day. I used to do that every day. I don't know what you should do, but I used to do that every day, so much so that people in Aram Nagar, whenever I used to get down of the auto, they were like, acha, you gave that audition, right? So they started recognizing me like that. So it is always very important to be at it and show that you are there.
Right. Okay. What type of work you really, really want to do eventually,
Something fulfilling. Something big and fulfilling.
Right.
Something which gives me a worldwide recognition. Worldwide.
Right.
That sort of.
Okay. We really wish वो आपके लिए बहुत जल्द हो. Is there any someone from the industry, because you have also worked with a lot of actors, 3 ही show है but बहुत सारे actors के साथ आपने काम भी किया है. Anyone from the industry, maybe you don't take suggestion because eventually तो it is your call only, but you do have this healthy professional discussion, about acting, what to take, what not to take, what is good, what is bad.
I think everybody has their own journey, and I do not believe in taking advices like that as far as choosing my characters and
That's what is a discussion.
work is. I think I would like to discuss it with people behind the camera and people who are working behind the camera, not the ones who are maybe on screen working. I have worked with a lot of senior actors, but I think everybody has a different journey, and I think no two journeys can be similar. So I do not, I haven't yet. I do not say कि future में I will not, I might, but till now there's no such person.
The last question. So, of course, you know, acting is there, but a lot of people, as you know, okay, they do also go for reality shows, okay? So, maybe not right now, but is there any reality show which you would really like to participate, if not this year, in the coming future?
Fear factor, Khatron Ke Khiladi. Although it scares me because I'm scared of water, but I would love to be a part of it.
Right, right. And what about Big Boss? You still ready? You're not ready?
Yeah, Big Boss, Big Boss. So I don't think I'll ever be ready. Even when I'm going in the Big Boss house, कभी मैं जाऊँगी तो भी मैं अगर 1 minute पहले भी आप मुझसे पूछोगे, are you ready? I'm not ready because I don't know what is going to happen inside.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, chalo. On this note, thank you so much, Kaveri, for the lovely interview. It was lovely talking to you. Anything you want to say to your fans?
Thank you so much, Kinnari, for having me and always making me a part of Glitz Vision
My
USA.
pleasure.
And to all my fans, I would like to say that keep your fingers crossed and there's a little wait, but then wait will be worthwhile. And keep loving me and keep showering all your love and all the edits that you keep making. Still keep making. Do that. I love it. Thank you. Hi, this is Kaveri Priyam, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.